Hi everybody, welcome back to KVR Bonsai. Today we'll be repotting our pine tree, which we've had for about 7 years, and we'll also be redoing the cascade bonsai. To start, we'll remove the plant from the pot. Here I go. Now hopefully this will all come out cleanly, then we can start raking out the roots. As you can probably tell, it isn't coming up very easily. Now hopefully when I pull this will all come out in one go. Nope, didn't come out. Didn't come out well. Now what we're going to do is start raking out these roots and trimming them. So here I go. Now, when you do this at home, you'll probably get a lot of roots ripped out, but that's fine. All that means is you're untangling them and keeping the straight roots. Now that we're done, we will just start by trimming the bottom roots hanging down. So here I go. Now we're going to start repotting the plant. When you start repotting a plant, you're going to want to have some net to cover the holes. So 1, 2. And also before you put the plant in, you're going to want to put a base layer of soil. So here I go. Now we will put the plant in. Here I go. Last of all, we are going to put some soil over the top of the plant. Here I go. Just then I had to fast forward the video so I could fill it up with more soil, and also using a thin metal stick like this, pushing down the soil so it fills up the air gaps. And the last step of this bonsai is to cover the topsoil in stones. So that's what I'm going to do now. So now I'm just going to put the stones on. Here I go. Now I'm just going to put some more stones on. Now that we're done putting the stones on, this is what the final product looks like. As promised a few weeks ago, is redoing this cascade bonsai. We've only had it for about a year now, but it's time to start trimming and moving the pads back to the position they should be. Since these pads have moved out of place, we're going to start by moving them back. So here I go. Now we're going to start trimming the pads. So I'm going to start trimming this bonsai. So I'm just going to put this video into time lapse so you don't have to wait here the whole time. So now that we're finished trimming, we're going to put some moss up on the top bit of the soil to make it have a bit more of a bonsai effect. So here we go, putting the moss on. As you can probably tell, the moss looks quite dry, but that's only because it's summer here in Australia. But after a while, it'll start sprouting new shoots in the moss, which will make it have a fluffier, nicer moss. The last step of this bonsai is to put some stones on it. So here I go. What these stones will also help do is keep down the moss and also make it look more like a grassy area. This is what the final product looks like. Thank you for watching KVR Bonsai. Please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you.